Hi,
Hello,
good evening.
teacher.
Okay, what is your name?
My name is Ruby.
Okay, how old are you, Ruby?
I'm 7 years old.
And how are you today?
I'm good.
Yeah, very good. Okay, so are you ready for your speaking test?
Yes.
Okay, so let's go to the first part. Okay, when I say the object, you're going to point and then say, it's here. Okay? Ruby, where is the picture? Picture with giraffe.
It's here.
Very good. Okay, where is the shelf?
It's here.
Very good. Where is the bag? The school bag.
It's here.
And about where is the apple?
It's here.
And where is the computer?
It's here.
Okay, very good. Good job. Okay, look at the picture again. So we have the desk, we have the chair, the box, the board, bin, and then the books. Okay? Okay, what is this object?
It's rubber.
It's a rubber. Okay, I will put the rubber here. Again, let's repeat that. Okay, what is this object?
It's rubber.
It's a rubber. Okay, I will put the rubber here. Can you say something about the rubber?
The rubber is on the book.
Very good. Okay, how about this one?
It's pencil case.
Pencil case. Okay, can you put the pencil case on the table? Okay, what can you say now about the pencil case?
Pencil case is on the desk.
Okay, desk or table. Very good. How about this one?
It's pen.
It's a pen. Okay, I will put the pen here. What can you say? What can you say about the pen?
The pen is under the chair.
Wow, good job. How about this one?
It's a book.
It's a book. What's the color of the book?
It's blue.
Okay, how many books do you see?
I see one book.
Okay, very good. I will put the book here. Okay, what can you say about the book?
Is under the bond.
Okay, the book?
Is
The book?
under the bond.
The board. Okay, the book is under the board. Okay, what is this?
It's a shelf.
It's a shelf. Okay, I will put the shelf here. What can you say about the shelf?
The shelf is
Under the window. Can you say that again? The shelf?
the shelf is under the window.
Okay, very good. Last one. What is this object?
It's a sharpener.
Very good. A sharpener. What's the color of the sharpener?
It's green.
It's green. Okay, how many sharpeners do you see?
One sharpener.
Okay, one sharpener. Okay. Okay. Put the sharpener under the board. Under the board. Under. Okay, yes. Very good. Okay, what can you say about the sharpener?
The sharpener is under the bone.
Okay. Okay, so it's already 5. 1, 2. Okay, let's go to the last part. Okay, for the last part, you are going to read the conversation out loud. Okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so let's go.
Oh no, where's my pencil? Is he? And where's my book? Is he to look? Oh, hanky bag.
Okay, thank you so much. Oh, thank you. Very good, Ivy.